Hey everyone, this is Coach Alan, and just welcome back to a topic of discussion that has been really hot in the past week or so. And this past weekend was probably the biggest MMA fight night that happened in recent times. And I'm talking about the launch show of MVP, the most valuable promotions run by Jake Paul and his people. And they put up a show for the first time live on Netflix and reached millions and crashed records of viewership overall and things like that. There's so many stats out there on social media, everybody can go and see it. Uh, what I liked about the promotion that it offered a fresh impetus into the world of MMA, which kind of is pretty much monopolized and run by the UFC all across the globe. No shame in that, but UFC has achieved it over the years. And there were three major things that stood out for me in this last weekend. That we had these three big events rather, I would say, two shows and one event. I'll come to that. What I mean by that. One was obviously the launch promotion of MVP. Two, they had a UFC fight night at the same time. And number three, the most important news of all, was Conor McGregor is back. And I, being a fan of Conor McGregor, like many millions out there, of like you, people who follow MMA, I feel that Conor McGregor coming back is definitely a shot in the arm for the UFC. But I do have my opinion on that they could have done the announcement a little bit better. For someone who has set the tone for the company to become a $1 billion evaluated company today, for someone who has given a platform to UFC to really look at the big moolah of money that is out there in the sport of MMA, they could have done better to announce his return to the UFC. Conor has literally set the platform for UFC to be where it is today, and we all know, those who fight MMA and follow MMA and are fans of MMA, that what he's done for the sport, no one has done the way it has been done by him. Like, he's been an icon, he's been a charismatic promoter of the sport, of himself, of his fights, of his promotion that he fights for. So UFC could have done better. Why I say that is because 10 years ago, 2015, I was leading and coaching the first Indian MMA team towards the World Championship in Vegas. And during that year, those were the prime years of Conor McGregor. And he was scheduled to fight, I think, Chad Mendes. I think it was UFC 189. And I was there in Vegas. I saw the aura, the charisma that Conor McGregor possesses. I saw the kind of pull he had with the people, his fans. I think half of Ireland was there in Vegas to watch him fight on that night. And to see that aura in person, it is really something to believe. It is really something unreal, surreal, and something to really watch out for. And from 2015, 2016, these are the prime years of Conor, where he dismantled Jose Aldo. He literally ruled the sport for a long number of years post that. And then injuries happened, like many other MMA athletes get through that, and Conor got injured, and 5 years he's been out of competition. And for him to come back after that, he should have had a better welcome. And that to announce his return on an Apex Fight Night card didn't sit right with me. And nevertheless, I am excited. I'll still watch Conor fighting. I'm always a fan. I think UFC could have done better. Look at the way MVP did. They brought back Ronda after years and years of fighting haters. And she launched their promotion and then took the retirement. She set the platform. So that's what icons do of the sport, like Conor and Ronda and many others. That's what they do. They set up the benchmark for the sport. I think UFC should handle Conor better. I really hope that his return is well taken care of, and like a fan of the sport, like a practitioner of the sport, like a coach of the sport, like an entrepreneur of the sport, I feel this should really gel well for the MMA. It needs a fresh start. And MVP, I can say nothing but good things about MVP, what they've done with this show. It gave a very high class value to the sport of MMA. The show looked great. MVP team, how they set up, how they looked after the people, it looked great. The show looked much more better than any other show I've seen in the past few years. It gave me a bit of a Strike Force Bellator on a higher class level vibe, and I think there needs to be a show like this to continue the sport of MMA to the millions of fans and practitioners out there, to aspiring fighters out there. And a platform needs to be provided where obviously the money is there for the fighters to make if they put up a good show. And yeah, this is my take on MVP promotions, and looking forward to such more shows. Netflix streamed live to so many, about 192 countries. And UFC, yeah, work on your hands.